Namaste everyone. My name is Deeksha and I am a yoga and meditation teacher. I thought I'll come and record a short 10-minute meditation for the days you are in a rush and you don't have time. I'm pretty sure you can get 10 minutes out of your life for your own self, for your own mind. So without wasting any time, I want to now ask you to sit comfortably on the floor, comfortably cross-legged on the floor. It is best to not do the meditation on the bed. So find yourself a carpet or a chatai or a yoga mat, or a chadar, whatever you have, just sit on the floor on it and then sit cross-legged. If you want to take some back rest, you can also take that. And then at some point when you're settled, your hands can rest and you can close your eyes. If you want to hold a mudra, you can also just let the thumb and index finger touch each other and you can continue holding that mudra for the rest of the meditation. But for now, let's close our eyes and settle in. You have to now not do anything. You just have to hear the audio and follow what I'm saying and relax. That's the main thing. You also want to relax while you're hearing me out. There is nothing to do for you. There is only the audio for you to receive and let go. So start settling into your body. Start relaxing your hips into the floor. Like feel that. Feel how the hips are now melting into the floor. There is nowhere else to go. So the body is not in a rush. And your legs becoming more relaxed. No matter what thought crosses your mind, let it be. Meditation is not the time for you to process your thoughts or analyze or worry about your future. None of that. Meditation is the time when you let go of your thoughts. Just let them be. Don't try to control your mind. Don't try to fight the thoughts. Just let the thoughts be. Let the body be, let the thoughts be. And rest your body. Start becoming aware of your belly, your abdominal muscles, and start relaxing them. Relax your belly. Let it come out, meaning you're not trying to restrain your belly or hold it in. Just let it be out, let it be soft. So your belly muscles are soft right now. And every organ that is inside your belly is relaxed. Even your shoulders, notice, are you tensing your shoulders? Are you holding them tight? Were you trying to do something with your shoulders? Can you relax them? Can you let go of your shoulders now? And your arms? And your fingers, let's come into your palms and soften all the fingers. Let the weight of your arms drop. Like you're not holding your arms tight. Let them be. Let your body be. And all the facial muscles becoming relaxed. Check if you're holding any tension in the jaw. Relax your jaw. Mouth, jaw, cheeks. Relax those regions. Release any stress from your mouth, from inside the mouth. And take a gentle breath through your nostrils. Breathe into your nostrils and breathe out from the nostrils. Relax even more. There's no rush. There's no rush to go anywhere. You're here with me right now. Settle in and let go as much as you can. Let go of effort. There's no effort right now in your body. And relax your eyebrows, the space between the eyebrows. Relax your whole face. Every muscle, every small little muscle on your face is now becoming relaxed. And then all the way up to the crown of your head. Notice if you were holding tension in your scalp, on top, at the crown. Relax your crown. And then from the crown, I want you to go back down into your tailbone and relax the hips, relax your tailbone. Feel the melting of your tailbone, of your hips. Deeply rested in this moment, not trying to do anything. And just letting go. Releasing all control. Nothing to control right now. Just let yourself be. And slowly, from here, we can prepare to come out. Before you open your eyes, you can take a deep breath through your nose. Inhale through the nose and breathe out also from the nose. And then whenever you're ready, you can just draw your palms together, rubbing them and pressing the center of your palms on your eyes. Thank you. You can open your eyes whenever you're ready. It was a short meditation. I hope you were able to do it. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make more such videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.